Good morning, students. So, we were studying our chapter number 4, the real companion whose value was to judge your friends. So, in this chapter, we have seen lots of about for our friends, that how or what basis we can judge our friends. What are the true friends? So true friends are the friends who stand by our side whenever we are in our need, or whenever we are in distress. True friends are the real companion in a person's life. Also, we have seen that the person is always known by his company. If a person stands in a company of a misconduct people, always he will be called as a bad person. We have seen some of the characteristics of the friends. So what are the good characteristics, or what are the characteristics of true friends must possess? We have seen in this chapter. So we will listen. Friends accept us as we are. We do not compel with us with each other. Friends always enjoy with each other. Friends never abuses us. A good friend always understands us. Friend starts from where they had left. That is, they never ever forget their friendship, whether they are far or whether they don't have time to meet each other. Good friends always are there for you whenever you are in the need. And also we have seen about a beautiful story about Ankit and Pulkit, who were the true friends and who used to live in a Madhavpur village in Bihar, and how they used to be the best friend, and people used to admire their friendship except Shakil, who was a classmate in their boy, who was always jealous of their friendship and was always want to break their friendship. And in order to break their friendship, what did he done? He stolen the box of one of the boy, and then finally the teacher caught the Shakil and he felt regretted for it. Now today we will look towards the question answer of this chapter. So first, answer this question: who are like a sunshine in one's life? So my dear students, we all know that true friends are like a sunshine in one's life. So what we will do, you just cut this who and you write true friends, TRUE, true, FRIENDS, friends. True friends are like a sunshine in one's life. Next, a man is known as by his company. Explain. So just now explained. So this answer is given here. The first page of your book, first page, second paragraph, the last second line. See, it is given here. That is, if you mixed. So you will start from here. First, a man is known by his company. Then you will write here means. Then you will write means, 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 and then you will start from here. Means that if you mixed with, from here, if you mix with the people who have a bad conduct or who uses a bad language and are impolite to others, then nobody will respect you. Okay, so this is your answer number second. Again, if you mix with the people who have a bad conduct or who uses a bad language and are impolite to others, then nobody will respect you. This is answer number second. Then answer number third, list a few characteristics of a true friends. So my dear students, it is given here. A true friend, see, a true friend have the following 8 characters. So you start from here. First, friends listen. So this point full. Second, see, here 8 characters are given, so you can write any of the 5 characters. So first point you write. Third, so out of these 8 characters you write any 5 characters. Out of these 8 characters you write any of the 5 characters. You can take the smaller one and you can write in the exam. Next, so this was your answer number 3. Now answer number 4. Who were Ankit and Pulkit? Where did they live? So this answer you write, I am speaking it. Or you write from here. First answer of this question, Ankit and Pulkit both were childhood friends. What you will write first? Ankit and Pulkit were childhood friends. Then you will write, where did they live? So this answer is on the same page from your same page. So you will write, they live in Madhavpur, a small village. We will cut this is, they live in Madhavpur, a small village in Bihar. This is the second part of your 4th answer. Got this? First will you write first part. What is? This is your first part. Ankit and Pulkit were childhood friends. This is your first part. And then you will write, they live in Madhavpur, a small village in Bihar. This is your second part of that 4th answer. Next, 5th part. Who stole Ankit's geometry bags from the Pulkit bag? So instead of who you will write Shakil. Shakil is stolen Ankit's geometry. Instead of stole you will write stolen. Shakil is stolen Ankit's geometry box from Pulkit's bag. Why? Because he always want to break their friendship. What you will write? Why? So he stolen, Shakil stolen Ankit's geometry box from Pulkit's friend because he want to break their friendship. Answer you will write, because he want to break their friendship. Because he want to break their friendship. Next. Fill in the blanks. So dash friends are born today. Selfless friends are born today. SELFLESS. Selfless friends are born today. Next, friends never belittle, swear or yell at you. Swear, SWEAR. Swear. Next, friends understand that friendship, FRI. Third one is friendship, FRIENDSHIP. Friendship is a two-way street. Next, 4, true friends. Fourth one is true friends know each other heart and can reach each other's mind. 5th, a true friend will support you even if it is or/her own interest. So answer is interest. Next, true friends are the real companion of one's life. True. True friends are the people whom you cannot depend. False. First answer true, second answer false, Third, friends enjoy with each other. That is true. Ankit and Shakil were good friends. False. Ankit and Pulkit were good friends. So fourth answer, false. Fifth, evil activities cannot break friendship. True. Evil activities cannot break friendship. So this is your exercise. First one true, second one false, third one true, fourth false, fifth true. So here this chapter is completed. Now what you have to do, you have to go through the question answer and you have to learn these question answers. Okay.